There's a reason why the curved soprano is making a major comeback, and it's not just its very cute appearance. After years of playing on both, I've come to appreciate a few key advantages that the curved version has over the much more common straight design. So in this video, I'll show you what those advantages are and demo the brand new BetterSax classic curved soprano saxophone. I want a saxophone with me everywhere I go. If I'm traveling somewhere for a performance, I have to bring the horn I'm going to play, which is usually alto or tenor. Every saxophone player knows the stress of flying with your instrument. Will the airline allow it in the overhead compartment, or will you have to argue at the gate because your case doesn't fit into that little sizing cage? Here's the secret. Only the curved soprano sax case fits in every one of these, meaning you could take it on any plane with total peace of mind. So whenever I go on a family vacation, I bring my curved soprano to practice on. It's small, light, and worry-free. But it's not just travel convenience that makes me prefer curved sopranos. Soprano sax is almost light enough that you can comfortably play it without a neck strap, and lots of players do this, but it's not the most comfortable. My right thumb gets tired real fast if I do this. So if you're like me and prefer to play soprano with a neck strap, a curved one is a lot more comfortable. It also allows you to play at any angle, just like on alto and tenor, without your left thumb hitting up against the neck strap. But the most important difference between curved and straight soprano for me is how they sound. Both of these instruments can sound beautiful. And I'm not suggesting that curved sopranos actually sound better, but when you play one, you might think that it does. That's because the sound is projecting up, just like on other saxophones, rather than down towards the floor. So if you want to hear your sound more clearly and get the impression that it's fuller and rounder, a curved soprano is better. The bell facing upward on curved soprano has another major benefit. Recording straight soprano has always been a challenge, and the best solution is to use two microphones, one for the bell and one pointed at the keys where a lot of the sound is projected. But if you've only got one mic, you're stuck between choosing a sound that's focused on the bell, which can be a bit more nasally, and one that's focused on the midsection, which might sacrifice some fullness. With the curved soprano, you can record it just like any other saxophone. One mic aimed at both the bell and the keys covers everything. You get a full and balanced sound across the whole range. It is so much easier to record on the curved soprano. So if I was forced to choose only one type of soprano, it would probably be the curved, and this new BetterSax classic curved soprano makes that choice very easy. This is our latest addition to the best-selling entry-level classic line of saxophones. Our mission with these horns has been to provide an excellent quality of sound, ergonomics, playability, and aesthetics at an affordable price. The classic curved soprano joins the alto, tenor, and baritone models to complete our quartet. Now, for anyone who still prefers straight soprano, don't worry, we have our classic one-piece straight soprano in development, and that will be coming out very soon. Now, the most important thing on soprano is probably the intonation, and that's an area where the classic curved soprano really shines. I definitely struggle to play any soprano in tune all the time, but this horn makes it so much easier. Like all the other classic horns, it has Pizzoni pads, domed metal resonators, blue steel springs, an ergonomic front F key, a half sharp key, beautiful hand engraving on the bell, and our signature dark cognac lacquer everybody loves. We also went the extra mile and developed a brand new mouthpiece that comes with the classic curved Soprano. It's so important to us that our instruments come with a quality mouthpiece, and I think it's very safe to say that for the price, the BetterSax Classic is the best student soprano mouthpiece you can get. These are made in the USA at the J.J. Babbitt factory in Elkhart, Indiana. Have a listen. The BetterSax Classic line of saxophones has been a favorite for all types of players, music teachers, and band directors since we started making them 5 years ago now. Check the link in the description for pricing in your region and to order one. And go watch this video next to learn more about our other recent launch that the saxophone world is very excited about.